Alright, today guys, I'm gonna show you how to do oil service. This is a BMW X3. This is a 2014. So guys, this is how the engine look like. So what first things first, we have our oil cup right here for the engine. You just open it up. So guys, when you look inside, the engine is still hot. So this is guys our oil filter. I'm using a tool here to just get it out of the way. So guys, I'm going to use like a 22 millimeter. Then I'm going to just like turn it up. And then guys, one thing which is very important when you're removing the oil, especially when the engine is warm, please don't remove it all the way. Just remove it slightly and then let air get inside, because normally it holds oil, and then if you open it up, it's gonna spill the oil just from the side right here, and then it's gonna mess up your engine. So it's good guys, what you do is you just open it slightly like that, and then when you see some oil just like that right there, then you just leave it like that, and then you go down below the engine, then you start draining your oil. So guys, once we come below the engine, so there's this part like a pocket where BMW made, like you just turn this thing like this, and then you just like pull this thing out, and then this will give you access to the oil is the oil where you will get the oil out from. So guys, this thing looks weird. When you fold it, it doesn't like stay back there guys, it keeps coming. It's kind of annoying, but alright guys, I'll just take you through the process. So what you do, you just like keep if you have something like a clamp, you hold it on the side so that when the oil comes out, it will not be able to spoil it and then just make your engine dirty from below. So guys, going to use a 10 hexa 10. So this is what's going to get inside here. This is what's going to help us guys get out this oil pan thing, this thing, and then to drain the oil from the draining right there. So guys, make also sure you have something to cut the oil down there. So what I'm going to use guys, I'm going to use like a tool to just get out this drain plug. So once the drain plug comes out like that, and then I just tap the fluid from below with something, and then once that is done guys, I have to make sure this oil drain plug has a seal, and I have to put a new one and then put it back when the fluid has drained together. So once that is done guys, you can just cover up there, and then we go back to the top. So once here guys, it's enough time for this thing to have drained out, so we just pull it out, and then you see right now this thing is dried up. So guys, it's very essential and it's important for you to change your oil filter when you're doing your oil change. So I'm gonna do that for this. I'm gonna change this. All of this looks really good. I think this was changed the last oil change. So guys, I have the things right here. I have an oil filter. It's a MANN filter. So guys, I'll leave to in the description guys how much I bought it for, and when you can find it. Is a MANN filter 816. And then also have an original BMW oil. So I'll leave it in the description below. You'll find the details about it and where you'll find it. So when we open this kit of ours, this is the oil filter. It comes out with two seals, and then guys, sometimes it comes with the drain plug for the oil, and then sometimes it doesn't. Oh, today we're lucky, this thing came with the drain plug, so I'll have to save this for the next time because I already put back the drain plug. So guys, I'm going to remove the old one, and then I'm going to put in the new seals, and then finally I'm gonna put in the new filter. So guys, once that is done, and then you've done that, you can just put it back onto your engine, and then you can tighten it back in. Something important guys, when you're doing this, make sure you have your oil, and then you have the required amount of oil. So I'm using a BMW. This is original BMW engine oil. It's a twin turbo. So guys, I'm using 5 quarts. This is 4-cylinder, so this is the required capacity. So make sure guys, every time you do your oil change, make sure you know the required capacity for your engine, so that you don't underfill it or you don't overfill it. You just give it the right amount of oil. So guys, I'm going to drain everything in, and then guys, I'll be done the service. I have to reset from inside the car, and then I'll be good to go. Alright, I hope this video really helps you guys. See you next time.